to the Body Coach TV. Today's workout is slightly different to what we usually do because we're going to be working for 2 minutes, having a minute rest. You're going to need one piece of equipment, which is a kettlebell. I'm going to use 12 kilograms, but by all means, go lighter or heavier depending on your strength. The exercise we're going to do with the kettlebell is a swing, okay? So get your technique and really focus on driving through your hips, squeezing your glutes, really focusing on the posterior chain, okay? So your hamstrings and your glutes. 20 swings, weight down, straight into 20 bodyweight lunges. Then we do burpees, which is chest to ground. So down, up, until that 2 minute mark, okay? So we're gonna try and hit that 2 minute mark with as many burpees as possible. We rest for a minute, we do the whole thing 6 times. So it's gonna be tough, this is not an easy workout. I'll start the timer. So get warmed up, make sure you've done your warm up. 20 swings, here we go. Okay, let's go. All right, come on, let's go. 1, 2, just eye level. 9, 10, good. 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, final one. Good. So weight down. Now we go lunges. 1, 2, within 20. 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Keep walking. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Get right down. 13, 15, 16, 17, good. 18, 19, last one. Okay, we've got 55 seconds now of burpees. So chest around that, count them for me, don't we? 1, I'll count, but you write it down. 2, come on. 3, 4, come on. 5, 6, 7, 8, good, come on. 9, 10, 11, 12, 15 seconds left. 13, 14, 15. Okay, so write that down, Dom. So my first set, I've done 15 burpees. I've got a minute rest now, and I'll repeat that 5 more times. So whatever you've done in those burpees, if it was 10 or 20 or 15, try and hit that again on every set. Okay, so we've got 35 seconds rest. So same again, 20 kettlebell swings, 20 lunges, and then burpees until we hit the 2 minute mark. So higher reps, max it out, maximum burpees. Okay, I've got to have a breather in. It's going to get tougher every time you want to try and hit those 15 burpees for the whole 6 sets, yeah? Okay, picking up your weight. Kettlebell swings. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. 7, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Yeah. Good. Weight down. Lunges. 1, 2, 3, 5. 20 lunges. 6, 9, 10. Good. Halfway. 11, 12, 13. Stay with me. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Right, let's go. Burpees coming straight down. Let's go. I want to hit 15. 2. Come on, until we hit that bell. 4. 5. 6. 7. Come on. 8. Chest to ground. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. Last one. I've done 15. I've matched it. Trying to beat that is tough, so that's 2 down, 4 more rounds. 3 basic moves. You're getting the posterior, working the hamstrings, the glutes, then you're getting the quads, and you're just getting everything with that burpee. So it's very intense. Right, same again. 20 swings, 20 lunges, and if you can, equal your burpees. So if you're only doing 12 burpees or 10 burpees, your aim is to hit the same number every time. Oh, right, third set. Up we go for the swings. Let's go. 1, 2. 6. Come on. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Good. Weight down. Lunges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, the faster you get through these. 7, 8, 9, 10. The more you have in the burpees. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, burpees. Come on. Down. 1, 2. Come on. 3, 4, 5. Oh, it's tough, Dom. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20 seconds left. 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, equal. Oh, that. To get 16 would be hard, man. Halfway through. I said this was going to be 18 minutes of hell. I knew it would be. All right, hold on. Let's get some. Oh, it's tough, man. It's really tough. Here we go. 20 seconds of rest. Halfway through, going into round number 4. Same again. Swings 20, lunges 20, and if you can, hit that number again. 15 or 12 or 10, whatever you're doing, that's where the effort comes in at that last bit. Come on, in number 4. Step forward, swings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drive through the hip. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Come on. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, it's getting harder, Dom. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. 7. Step in. 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8. Come on. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Okay, minute exactly now. Let's go. 15. I want. Stay with me. 1, 2. Hands above the head. 4. Come on. 5. 6. 7. 8. 30 seconds on the clock. 9. 10. 11. 12.
3 more.
13. 14. I'm having a minute. I'm not talking for this minute. I need my... rounds. 2 more rounds. A little bit of chalk because the hands are slipping. It's good stuff, this liquid chalk. Right. Oh. And burpees just kill you off, man. Okay, so 4 down. 2 to go. Picking up your weight. Let's go. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drive through the hips. 11. Squeeze the glutes. 13. 16, 17, 18. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 6, 7. Keep stepping. 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We've got 55 seconds to do the 15 burpees. Let's go. 1. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20 seconds. 11, 12,
Quick.
13, last one. done me, that is.
You're going to skip that last one back on the last set?
Yeah, I will. I'll make it up. So I've done 15, 15, 15, 15, and a 14. Oh. Oh, I'd love to stop now, but I'm finishing this. We said it. 6 rounds. I'm so hot. My body is like so hot right now. Oh. Oh. Oh, damn, that's killed me, mate. We're going in 15 seconds. Okay. Last one, make it count. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Little bend in the knee. 8. 12. 13. 15. 16. 17. Right. Lunge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, come on, 17, 18. Dom, tell me I can do 16.
Well, you better do 16.
Right, come on.
This, go.
I can do this. 1,
Get in the rhythm.
2.
Don't stop.
5, 6, 7, 8, halfway, 9, 10,
Keep going.
11, come on, 13,
Easy.
14,
Do 17, come on. Quick.
15, 16,
Go on. 2 more.
last one.
18.
So, there you have it. I stepped it up again on that last one. Pushed the intensity on a bit more. That's buckled me, that has. Oh, hang on. Let me just catch my breath. 10 seconds. Right. Congratulations if you stuck with me through that whole thing. That was brutal. And yeah, next time you come back and do it, try and beat those burpee numbers. Try and get above 15 or whatever you're on. That's the sort of workout you want to do. If you're short on time, I'm drenched in sweat. That's a brilliant workout, so I hope you enjoyed it. Please comment below, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time for another workout on the Body Coach TV. See you soon, guys.